Hi everyone, my name is Tanner, and I'm excited to share our newest winter suite collection, Peaceful Place. So, take a moment, picture yourself in a quaint cabin in the woods, surrounded by a blanket of beautiful fresh snow. It's calm and it's quiet. A fire crackles nearby to keep you warm and cozy. This suite of products really sets the mood for beautiful winter moments that you can share through card making, memory keeping, and more. So, let's go ahead and take a look. Our Peaceful Cabin stamp set features imagery that was hand illustrated in charcoal for a very soft and artistic quality. This set is also really great for making masculine cards and can work for many different occasions. The sentiments that you see would be great for thank you cards, Christmas projects, cards for friends, or more of your all occasion. The way this stamp set pairs with our cabin dies is truly a thing of beauty. The layering edge dies can pair with the stamped cabin and the different trees that you see here, or you can nest all these detailed dies within those edge dies for a different look, like you can see here in these two different scenes. The dies also have detailed trees and snowflakes and a fence that adds the perfect details for scene building to really bring whatever scene you have in mind to life in your projects. This bundle offers so many creative possibilities, and we can't wait to see all of your projects in the coming months. Our Timber 3D embossing folder seen here is really bound to become a staple in your craft room. Just the scale and the fine details that you see in this embossing folder really sets it apart from some of the past wood grain tools that we've had. It adds a really lovely organic texture for cards, tags, and more. And you can see that detail and that texture coming through here in this sample. The embossing folder really complements the rest of the products in this suite so perfectly, and we're sure that this wood texture will be really versatile across many of our product lines. Our Peaceful Place Specialty Designer Series paper is a 12 by 12 paper with specialty silver foil on 6 of the sheets. Several sheets were designed to work as card front layers with rows of evergreen trees frosted in snow. Of course, there are basic patterns too that can pair with images from the bundle or the coordinating papers. On this sheet with the silver foiled trees, we strategically left some blank space where you could add your ribbon, embellishments, or stamp a sentiment for some really quick and easy crafting. While we're talking about texture, we've also included snowy white velvet sheets in this collection. These sheets work with our dies to create soft, snowy accents. It comes with 2 12 by 12 sheets, and this is another product that works perfectly in this suite, but it really is so much more. It's got a really nice soft touch to it that's really a great way to add some tactile interest into your projects. And of course, no suite would be complete without pretty finishing touches like our subtle shimmer sequins. I'm gonna go ahead and be reckless and dump these out. These faceted sequins come with 4 shimmery neutrals in 2 different sizes. And these loose embellishments would also be really great for shaker cards. I'm going to pull in a sample just to show what that would look like if you use those just as a more traditional embellishment right at the top of these trees. Then, to wrap it all up, we are offering a 3/8 inch white glittered organdy ribbon. It's delicate and shimmery. You'll see that depending on how the light hits the little pieces of glitter in here, that it makes a really fun texture with your projects. It's going to come in 10 yards. You could use it for wrapping small gifts, tying on tags, or adding some shine to your seasonal cards. And as you'll notice with this project, it's something that could be subtly colored as well. Let's put that blue right over the white that it comes in. So that also offers up some really fun creative possibilities. The beautiful products that I've just shared with you are sure to set a peaceful tone for all of your crafting projects. And although this is a winter-themed suite collection, its versatility extends beyond just one season. Here at Stampin' Up, we wish you a peaceful and heartfelt season and hope that you get to enjoy some creativity with these new products. For additional information, be sure to contact your demonstrator or visit StampinUp.com. Bye!